Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the Windows KB5 error code, and let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to find out how to fix the error code, make sure you watch the video up until the end. Anyways, let's get straight into it. The first thing you guys can do is make your way over to the settings search bar. Go ahead and type in settings. From settings, make your way over to the search bar at the top again and click on troubleshoot. From here, click on troubleshoot settings, and then once you are on troubleshoot settings, make your way over to other troubleshooters. Now from other troubleshooters, you guys can go ahead and click on Windows Update and hit run, and then from here you guys can basically just follow all of the steps from here. So let me just go ahead and see. Okay, and just wait for it to load and just follow the steps. So I installed an update, but this update has caused a problem, etc., and then just follow the steps from there. Now, after you guys do that, you can X out of here, and then the second method you guys can try doing is by opening up the terminal, or just typing in, terminal in the search bar, or command Windows PowerShell, it doesn't matter, and you want to go ahead and type in this command, sfc/scan now. Once you go ahead and type that command and hit enter, let it run, and then that should also help fix the issue. And the third and final method you guys can try doing is simply restarting your PC. So go ahead and try doing that as well. And once you do all of these methods, you guys should be good to go, and that should be it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.